Hi, this is Josh, pharmacist with pharmacisttips.com. Here I'm going to show you the Microlet Next Lancet device and the Microlet Lancets that go with it. This device is included with most of the Contour machines. It'll be included with it if you buy like the Contour Next Easy, the Contour One. The Microlet Lancing device is included in that. And of course it uses Microlet Lancets, but it's also nice. Most pharmacies have their store brand of Lancets. So the CVS Health, the Walmart Reliant Ultra Thin, the Walgreens Micro Thin Lancets, they are all compatible. I mean, you can double check when you buy them, but they are compatible with Microlet right there. So kind of handy if you can't find the Microlet, that there are other options that you can use with those. So the Microlet Lancet device, pretty simple, basic operation. This is how you charge the spring. And then when you press this button, that's going to set the Lancet in motion to poke your finger to get the drop of blood for testing. There's a Lancet ejection device right there. So to put your Lancet in, you twist this. You can see there's a little notch there, so you twist it to the other notch, and then you remove it. You get a Lancet, you put it in there, and you can twist the top of that to reveal your Lancet. And you want to keep the top for after you're done. That helps with disposal. Replace the cap there, and then secure it to the locked position. Go. Set our depth. So 1 would be for thin, delicate skin. 5 would be for really tough, callous skin. Typically, I'm about a 3 is what I usually use. So then make sure your spring is charged. Your hands are washed with warm, soapy water, thoroughly dried. Your test strip is ready. Then you put that on the side of your finger and push the button, and then you'll get your drop of blood. Once you've used that, Lancets are one-time use, remember? We only want to use them the one time and then replace them. So once that's been used, you can jab the Lancet right in to the top of the cap we had previously removed, and then you can push that forward to eject the Lancet out of there. And then it's ready for our next one. And I can show you with the CVS generic here. Same way. So you put it in there, twist the top, place the lid, lock it in place, determine that your depth is set to your preference, charge with the spring, poke the finger, and replace. Or get rid of the old one, eject it. There you go, ready for the next time. So that's the Microlet Next Lancet device, included with many of the Contour machines. You can also purchase it separately. I think it sells for about $20 at most pharmacies. Many pharmacies can order it for you if it's not in stock. Any questions about this? Go ahead and ask in the comments below, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.